Hello, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set up out of office message. When you are traveling, going on vacation, or just you don't have time to respond to your emails and you want those who send you email to know that you are out of office, that you don't have time to respond until a certain time, what you need to do is to set up out of office. And to do this is very easy. All you need to do is to click on the gear in your Outlook. In your Gmail. Click on See All Settings. Scroll down till you get where it says Vacation Responder. Down here. By default, it is set as off. What you need to do is to click where it says Vacation Responder on. Then you click when you are going on vacation. And optionally, you can click the last day. Let me say that let me leave the last day where it is now, or let me just add something there and say on the 20th. You can add subject, out of office. You can add text in the plain text field. If you want this message, out of office message, to go to only those who are in your contact list, you can tick this box here. Otherwise, you can go on and save your changes. Right? So let us try and send message to this user. Let's click send. As you can see, just within a second, I got this message back. Let's click on it. As you can see, that's the message that I set up in my out of office. So that's how you can simply set out of office in your Gmail. I hope this has been helpful. If so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.